Hey cruisers, welcome back to Cruisify. Now, let's be honest, no matter what kind of cruise you're on, the buffet is something you're definitely going to visit. Whether it's for a quick bite before an excursion, a casual lunch, or even a relaxed dinner, it's just too convenient to ignore. But here's the truth. Most cruise passengers make small buffet mistakes that seem harmless, but can actually ruin their experience, affect their health, or just make things more stressful than they need to be. So in this video, we're going over the biggest cruise buffet mistakes you should avoid, along with simple tips to upgrade your entire dining experience on board. And if you enjoy cruise tips, tricks, and insider advice, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Cruisify because we help you cruise smarter every single time. All right, let's get into it. As soon as people board the ship, almost everyone has the same idea: head to the buffet. And that's exactly why it becomes overcrowded, noisy, stressful, and honestly, not enjoyable at all. You'll see people dragging luggage around, struggling to find seats, and long lines everywhere. Try the main dining room. It's calmer and you get served. Grab something easy like burgers, pizza, or grill food by the pool. Or go for a light cafe meal if you don't want something heavy. Some cruise lines even offer special lunch deals at premium restaurants on day one, fewer crowds, and better quality. This is probably the most common buffet mistake. Everything looks so good that you end up loading your plate with pasta, fried food, desserts, and random combos that don't even go together. The result? You don't enjoy the food properly. You feel overly full, and a lot of food ends up wasted. Start with small portions, try different things, and then go back for your favorites. This way, you actually enjoy the variety, which is the whole point of a cruise buffet. Let's be real, buffets are shared spaces and not everyone follows proper hygiene. That means there's always a risk of germ spreading. Here's what you should always do. Use hand sanitizer or wash your hands before touching anything. Only use the serving utensils provided. Never use your own fork or spoon to grab food. Avoid touching your face while in line. And yes, it should be obvious, but it happens. Don't touch food with your hands. Don't taste something and put it back. It sounds basic, but these small things make a big difference. Most people just stop at the first section they see and completely miss out on the best options. Modern cruise buffets are actually designed with multiple stations, and sometimes each side has different dishes. There are hidden specialty counters or live cooking stations you might miss. Do a quick walk around first before grabbing anything. You might discover international cuisines, fresh cooking stations, or something way better than what you saw first. If you have food allergies, the buffet can be risky if you're not careful. Even if a dish looks safe, there's always a chance of cross-contamination. What you should do? Inform the cruise line before your trip. Talk to a buffet supervisor or manager, not just any staff member. Ask about ingredients instead of guessing. If your allergy is serious, it's often safer to eat in the main dining room where food is prepared more carefully. A lot of people think buffet equals junk food, but that's not really true anymore. Cruise buffets actually offer fresh salads, grilled meats, vegetables, lighter and even sugar-free options. It's all about your choices. You can eat heavy every day, but you can also keep things balanced if you want to feel good throughout your cruise. This is where things get interesting because a lot of people don't even realize they're doing something wrong. Some key etiquette rules: don't cut in line, don't block the station while deciding, keep the line moving. And one very important rule: always take a new plate when going back for more food. It might seem wasteful, but it's much more hygienic. Also, during busy times, Avoid sitting too long if others need seats. Don't use dining tables for games or long hangouts. Just be aware of the people around you. If you're enjoying this and learning something new, go ahead and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Crucify. We've got the best cruise tips, mistakes to avoid, and insider hacks to make your trip smoother and way more fun. If you don't like crowds, this mistake will ruin your buffet experience fast. Most people show up at the same exact times. Breakfast around 9 a.m., lunch right at 12 p.m., dinner at peak evening hours. And that's when you'll face long lines, no available tables, crowded food stations. The smart move? Shift your timing slightly. Go for lunch at 11:30 a.m. instead of 12. Or try 1:30 to 2 p.m. when it starts calming down. For breakfast, go earlier or a bit later than the rush. Same food, way better experience. Yes, the buffet is fast, but that doesn't mean you should rush. A lot of people eat quickly just to move on to the next activity, but that leads to not enjoying the food, overeating, feeling uncomfortable afterward. Here's the balance. Take your time, relax, and actually enjoy your meal. You don't need to sit for hours, but giving yourself 30 to 45 minutes to eat properly makes a huge difference in how you feel. Remember, you're on vacation, not in a race. This one might be a bit controversial, but it matters more than people think. No, the buffet isn't formal, but there are basic expectations. Common mistakes: walking in straight from the pool, dripping wet, wearing only swimwear, no shirt. Yes, it happens. What you should do: throw on a cover-up or t-shirt. Wear footwear, flip-flops are totally fine. Make sure you're dry before sitting down. It's not about being fancier, it's about being respectful and safe. Wet floors and chairs? That's how accidents happen. The cruise buffet can honestly be one of the best parts of your trip if you use it the right way. Avoiding these simple mistakes will help you enjoy better food, stay healthier, and have a much smoother, stress-free experience. It's not about following strict rules, it's just about being a little more aware and making smarter choices. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Crucify because we're bringing you the best cruise tips, hidden secrets, and mistakes to avoid so you can have the perfect cruise every time.